Today we had our first performance of Letters to You, which is written by Sade. The young people really seem to enjoy it.
And we just wanted to collate their ideas and kind of co-create with them, and their ideas really did come from their heart. When we decided to work with them, we had a lot of open discussions with them about how they were feeling, and it really felt like it was a space for them to express themselves, and I really wanted to put that into the piece. That was the process, and then obviously after that, collated their ideas, put them into the piece and formulated 3 different letters.
And just a figment of your imagination. Okay? Has anyone else seen the other letter? And sometimes you'll be scared and worried about the future. Try your absolute best to be heard and seen. You represent love, hope, truth, and light.
And then we had a bit of a workshop afterwards with some games and a bit of them writing their own letters to their younger self, because that's what the show is really about. It's about letters to your younger self to tell you about the ups and downs of life and how things will be difficult sometimes. But remember to enjoy all the lovely things, and that it will balance itself out, and that's the journey for everyone really.
It was amazing to hear the young people's letters. They are inspiring, you know, they are the next generation, and it was just really nice to just kind of be in their company and like listen to all their ideas and, you know, see how the light in them shine, if you know what I mean. When they got up and they was reading out their pieces, like with the music, it's amazing. That's inspiring to me.
Flying Colours is an opportunity that has meant that our Year 4s, 5s and 6s have been able to experience theatre and performance in all its sort of wider forms. They've been involved with playwriting, they've been able to work with lots of different practitioners, puppet makers, all sorts of things. So it's brought an added dimension to the curriculum for our older children.